So in this video we will discuss about overloading with custom class argument and its hierarchy. This is one of the most important concept with perspective to interview. Let's discuss. What if somebody have a custom class cases for you? You can see this. You have a class A, class B extending class A, class C extends class B. And into the overloading methods, they have an argument of A, B and C. Now if you try to pass null from main, which method will exactly be called and why? This time interviewer have given you a custom class cases. This is the class A I am writing, class B and the class C. We have these type of questions we call hierarchy based overloading questions. Always try to design a hierarchy diagram for all your argument and you will get the clarity. In this hierarchy you can clearly see class C is most specific among all. So now let's say into a main class if I write these two methods which is with B and with C, I have written this public static void main m is equals to new main and m dot print. Like if I pass null here, that this null goes to either from C or this null goes to B. How we will decide which is the exact match for this, or is there compile error? So we will see this is the output from C, because if we see this class A, class B, class C, the class C is the most lower one, or we can say the most specific one among this hierarchy. The print of C object would accept the null parameter. So if your concept is clear, you can go for next question, further videos, and in case if you still want to look practical implementation, I can quickly take you through this example in Eclipse IDE as well. So you can see here like I'm having class ABC extending, and now I am having this print ABC method, and let me correct. Let's say I'm taking same like main object is equals to new main, and if I'm passing print null here, no error. So let's correct this from B and C. So C would be the output in this case, yes. And the reason is out of A, B, C in this hierarchy, C is the most specific one. That is why it accepts null from the main. And let's say if I'm doing something like new B, which I had discussed earlier, then from B would be the output because that is the exact match for this, and from A for that first one. Now let me ask you one question. Let's say if your overloading method arguments A, B, C, D as per this class hierarchy you have, and if you try to pass null to these methods, what would be the output and why?